Want to make ramen with me? Let's do it. So you need 6 tablespoons of tsuyu, 4 tablespoons of sesame miso sauce, and 2 tablespoons of chili oil. Then we're going to stir that all up until it's all combined and this nice color here. So then you're going to need 2 cups of water and 4 cups of unsweetened soy milk and 8 bouillon cubes. And you're going to turn that on and let it simmer with a lid on top. And now let's get into the meat. So you're going to need 4 tablespoons of chili oil, 2 tablespoons garlic, 2 tablespoons ginger, 2 tablespoons chili bean paste, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. You want to mix that all together on medium heat, medium high. And then you want to add in your ground beef. You can use ground pork. I used ground beef. Super yummy. Checking on that broth. And we're going to add the little bowl of that mixture we made not too long ago. Stir it up. Don't use this type of spoon. Well, you can, like I did, but yeah, a bigger spoon would be nice. And then we're going to take our bok choy and put it into some water that was boiling, and I'm adding salt. And now I'm going to cook my ramen noodles. I cook them for 2 minutes and then drain them and start to build my ramen. So I've got some broth, adding noodles, and then adding the bok choy and some meat. So delicious. And then I'm going to add some chopped green onions. And I wanted to add sesame seeds, but I could not find my sesame seeds. So if you have sesame seeds, it'll look super cute. And yeah, that is it. You can add an egg if you want. I'm not really messing with the boiled egg. And yeah, that's it. And there's some egg rolls I made also. Love you.